Are Twilio and Mailgun important when you have Highlevel? Hey guys, my name is Kerry Knoll, and before I answer that, I have 3 additional questions that I'm going to be answering for you in this particular video. The first one is how Highlevel's lead connector has simplified the process for registering a phone number and setting up email. How to set up a phone number in Highlevel, and number 3, how to set up email in Highlevel. So I'm going to jump on over to my demo account in Highlevel and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first things first, we need to go over to settings on the left hand side, and then we need to go into phone numbers or email services. We'll go into phone numbers first, and then from here we can register a new phone number, and this is using Highlevel's lead connector software. So essentially this connects out to Twilio and registers a number there for you, but you don't have to get things like Twilio's API key or security SSID or anything else that you might need in order to connect your Highlevel account or your client's Highlevel account to Twilio itself. So it kind of simplifies the process. So we just click on plus add number, and we have an option here to add phone number used for SMS and calls, use pool number used for lead tracking, add verified caller ID used for caller ID masking. Normally I just select add phone number. Then from there we can determine where we want the number to come from, like as far as area code is concerned. So we can do this with provider. We have number, then we can search by digits or phrases. So we can say if we were searching for a number in Las Vegas, we might try 702, and then instead match to any part of the number. We might want to match just to the first part of the number, and then we can click apply and see what comes back. So there we have it. We have some 702s. These are technically in Jean, Nevada. However, no one really cares or knows, so you would just, well, it looks like all 4 of these is exactly the same. Another filter we can use for Vegas would be 775. I just want to show you a different variation. We should get more results. So we have 775, which is for Reno, Empire, Nevada, Tonopah, Beatty, Reno, Crystal Bay, Gabbs, Nevada, Battle Mountain, Shrews, Austin, Nevada, McGill, Nevada, Hawthorne, Nevada. So we can use any of these as well if we wanted something that was also in our area. All right, so we would just select whichever one we wanted. We click proceed to buy. It will cost us $1.15. Once we have purchased the number, the next step is to fill out the A2P10DLC, which allows us to actually get the number registered under our business so that we can actually take advantage of using it. So we are not restricted by any limitations whatsoever, which I'm not going to cover in this particular video. So moving on, I'm going to go over to email services. Under email services, this is also using lead connector software by Highlevel, and we can do things like create dedicated domain, which is what we normally want to do. So we click this button here, or we can click this add service button if we X out of this. Right, but it tells you important notification boost your email deliverability, dedicated sending domain for improved email delivery. Currently, you are using a shared sending domain for your email communications. While this is a convenient option, we would like to recommend a strategic enhancement to your email delivery process, creating your very own dedicated sending domain. Why you should consider this upgrade: enhanced deliverability, brand credibility, increased control, reduce spam flagging. All right, so we click this button here. And then what we need to do is we need to enter our domain name or our client's domain name, whichever one we want to use with this particular sub account. So in this case here, it uses a subdomain and then the primary domain, whatever that is, with the extension. So it shows you an example here, lc.mydomain.com. Now you can use something like LC, which stands for lead connector. You could use something like MG, which stands for mailgun, or you could use something else completely like mail, email, whatever trips your trigger, so to speak. Usually I would recommend using LC or MG to make it simple, and that's what you would do here. So let's just do this. So we'll do lc dot, your domain name.com. And then what's going to happen is it says here, your domain lc.yourdomainname.com will be moved to lead connector account. New DNS records will be provided on the next screen after you click add and verify. Update DNS records with your DNS provider. Note that this is not done within lead connector account. Verify and apply your domain. Domain logs get lost from your Mailgun account. So what we do is we click add and verify, and then here it says connect your domain subdomain. So we have that already typed in there, so we can add record manually, or we can click continue, where it'll try to attempt to create these records on our behalf. I usually will do the add record manually, and then we get these records. We get a TXT record, a TXT record, a CNAME record, an MX record, and an MX record. And it basically tells you what the host value is and what the required value is that's going to relate to the host record itself. And if you need help, you can watch this video here to help you do this. So then what we would do is go over to our domain registrar or wherever we're hosting our DNS records, and we'd add all three of these DNS records here, the TXT, TXT, and CNAME, and then we would add these two MX records under our mail server information. All right. And once that is completed, there will be one more record you'll need to add that's not listed here for DMARC, and that's to help with the new policies going forward with email deliverability. So all that would be done, and then we'd click verify records, and then it would show us another screen where, like if we do this right now, and we did not add these records at all because this is not a real domain, you'll see on the next screen, it'll say not verified for each one of these. So we have TXT record here, not verified, TXT record, not verified, CNAME, not verified, MX records, not verified, and there's that final TXT record that's not on that previous page, which also says not verified. This field is optional. However, you don't want it to be an optional field. You want to make sure you add it to your DNS records. So that very last one, you'll need to just copy this, paste it into the host name at your DNS record, then copy this, paste it into the value, and create that TXT record. And then once you're happy with that, there's two buttons over here on the right that I'm covering up, so I'm going to move myself to the left, and you'll click on Verify Domain. Once these records have been verified, they will switch from red not verified to green verified, and then you'll be all set and ready to move forward. All right, so that's how the Lead Connector has simplified the process for setting up a Mailgun account and for setting up a Twilio account. However, if you do live outside the United States and need to use Twilio or want to use Twilio instead of Lead Connector, you can contact Highlevel support and they can revert a particular sub-account back to using Twilio instead of Lead Connector for phone number registration and setup. So that can still be done, but you have to usually contact support, go through the process with them in order to make that happen. All right, so to answer that question, are Twilio and Mailgun important for Highlevel? Yes, I think they are, and I think you need to be using them. However, Lead Connector has made it a much simpler process in order to set up both a phone number and an email service through Mailgun and Twilio when you have the opportunity to do this within a sub-account. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Just leave them below this video, and I'll get back to you in a timely manner. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the Highlevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for Highlevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes High-Level Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about High-Level. You will also receive the High-Level Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with Highlevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if Highlevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or Highlevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my Highlevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try Highlevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for Highlevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with Highlevel, try it out. You can start your 14-day free trial of Highlevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of Highlevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of Highlevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have Highlevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the Highlevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including Highlevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the Highlevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the White Label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to Highlevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the Highlevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my Highlevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with Highlevel inside of Highlevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.